In this video, I'll show you how to group by month in Salesforce reports so you can turn raw records into a clear month-by-month performance view. Start by opening your report and clicking Edit to access the report builder. Make sure a valid date field like close date or created date is included and actually contains data, otherwise your grouping won't display meaningful results. Drag that date field into the Group Rows section, then refresh the preview to see the structure update. Next, use the drop-down on the Group Date header and select Group Date By, then choose Calendar Month. Salesforce will automatically bucket records into monthly segments based on that field, helping you spot trends and seasonality without changing underlying data. If totals look off, double-check filters and date ranges. This simple adjustment makes reports far more actionable. Subscribe for more clear and practical Salesforce tutorials.